It's countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. It's your son, I've learned a lot out of reading people faces. No matter how them a go on like them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
Fuck you! Fuck Swanee! Fuck the cookie smoking brother! Fuck Plummy boys like all! You dig? Right.
No, that's Plumpy Boss mother. And we don't know what Plumpy Boss do the lady. But him a talk to her on the phone and him piss her off. And believe you me, she find where him live and mommy take it to him, yo. And guess what? Me like this lady. She is a rebel. She remind me of my mother. You understand? Straight rebel. Now, there is one other thing where me like about this. You see Plumpy Boss? Now, you see how your mother act? Come on yard, I act like a mad woman, I cuss him out, I embarrass him, and that man didn't open his mouth. He didn't disrespect his mother. He didn't open his door and disrespect his mother. Yo, I respect that about Plumpy Boss. And me have to give the man hats off, yo. He make mommy talk and go on with her thing. And when mommy done, mommy leave, and Plumpy Boss never disrespect his mother. And my youth, you see, because of that, it tells me a lot about you. I may have to give you your respect just for this. Remember me tell you, I just this one thing let me give you respect. You understand? You never disrespect your mother. Now with that said, I'm gonna play the rest of the video. And remember, you can like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. Now the WhatsApp group, it's down below, and also the Countryman Canada link. You understand? Alright, let's go.
She will let people beat the child and kill him. I tell you, anytime you make anybody touch the child, police up here, I will fuck you and kill you. I will make you suck my guns and strangle you.
Repeat what I
Fuck up you all you. Right. Fuck you. Fuck Swanee. Fuck the cookie smoking brother. Fuck Plummy boys like all. You dig? Right. Gentlemen, now we are talking to before. Your daughter said my son can't come to school tomorrow. She will let people beat the child and kill him. I tell you, anytime you make anybody touch the child, police up here, I will fuck you and kill you. I will make you suck my guns and strangle you.
It's countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. It's your son, I've learned a lot out of reading people faces. No matter how them a go on like them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.